Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about resolving an issue that you're experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer when attempting to sign in. Your PIN is no longer available due to a change to the security settings on this device. You can set up your PIN again by going to Settings, Accounts, and Sign In Options. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on File Explorer. So i-click mo lang tong File Explorer icon. And then next step ay dito lang sa left side ay select mo lang dito yung Desk PC. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung local drives natin. So double click ka lang dito. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Windows. Okay, so dito sa Windows, double click. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung service profile. And then scroll down lang tayo. And so dito sa service profile, so double click ulit. And then next, makikita mo dito yung local service and network service. So select mo lang tong local service, so double click ulit. Okay, so ang next, so dito sa local service, and then kailangan mo lang select dito yung app data. Okay, so kapag wala kang makita app data dito, so ang gagawin natin ay dito na sa taas, i-click mo lang tong 3 dot, and then select mo lang dito yung options, and then lalabas tong kanyang folder options, and then select mo lang dito yung view. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung show hidden files. So click mo lang yan. Click mo lang itong apply. And then click mo lang itong okay. And then ito na siya mga kaibigan. So mag-appear na yung app data. Okay. So dito sa app data. And then double click ulit tayo dito. And then next ay makikita mo dito yung local, and then yung roaming. Okay. So select mo lang dito yung pinakauna itong local. So double click. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Microsoft, so double click ulit. Right. So dito sa Microsoft, and then next step ay select mo lang dito yung NGC, ito siya. So dito kailangan mo lang select, and then right click, and then select mo lang dito yung properties. Okay, so makikita mo dito yung NGC properties, and then next step ay dito lang sa taas, select mo lang dito yung security. And then dito sa security, dito na sa baba ay select mo lang dito yung advanced. So click mo lang yan. And then next, okay, so ang susunod dito ay click mo lang tong change dito sa ownership. Okay, so click mo lang tong change. And then lalabas nung kanyang select a user or group. And then dito lang sa enter the object name ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung everyone. Okay, so once na-type mo na yung everyone, and then click mo lang to check names, and then click mo lang tong okay. And then next ay i-check mo lang tong box dito sa replace owner on subcontainers and objects. So check mo lang tong box, and then click mo lang tong apply, and then click mo lang tong yes, and then click mo lang tong okay, and then click mo lang tong okay, and then click mo lang tong okay. And then next step, cross lang natin dito, and then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so i-click mo lang tong restart para ma-fix yung problem. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix yung your feed is no longer available due to a change in the security settings. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.